It doesn't even matter to you, keep in mind as a God is trying to behold the dear time. Maybe you don't know it's a valuable thing. Watch it go by as the time flings. Watch it burn down to the whole spring. The pain takes life away, it's so cruel. Didn't look out below. Watched my eyes go right out the window, trying to hold on, but didn't even know wasted it all just to watch you go. Kept condemned inside, even though I tried, it all fell apart. What I meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when
sometimes I wait, sometimes I long, but for you it doesn't even matter. For nights I